Okay, so for today's session, I'll be focus more over as per your experience. Like, so as every student is looking the exact or knowledge, right, to
Yes.
preparing their interviews and clearing the interviews. Okay,
Yep.
but in data, so right now in a market all over the world, okay,
Hmm.
US, UK, or India,
Hmm.
right? The hot job, right,
Hmm. Yep.
is is only come from the data side,
Yep.
right? As you also aware because you are connecting from the outside, right?
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
So why data? Because of our daily use case, right?
Yep.
Daily use case means we are using lot of applications on the daily life. We are using Ola, Uber, Netflix, right?
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
lot of data is generating on the daily basis,
Yep.
right? Facebook, Instagram, right? So these are the all come from our uses, current uh, current expectation from the users because users is looking easiness, right?
Yep.
Yeah, so like we are using lot of apps, right? And apps,
Yep.
why apps? They are providing for the users easiness,
Yep. Yep.
user easiness, right?
Yep.
Because earlier if you are doing any kind of transaction, you have to
Mhm.
visit your nearest bank, right? But nowadays it
Yep.
is not required,
Yep.
right? So
Yes.
these are the all apps generating data. So data is more important nowadays. Means so many organization tell that data is a new oil for this world, right?
Yes. Yes.
Data is a
That's
new oil for
yeah.
any kind of organizations, right? If any kind of company, if they are looking the best company in a world, so they had a good data, right?
Yep.
Inside, data inside, right? So data, not the data, inside of the data.
Yeah. Mm.
So on top of inside of the data, you can take action to improve your product quality, right? Product we are using like Facebook, right? Product like we are using Uber, right? Product like so these are the product, Netflix, right? So these are the product. So for making these products better, you required inside of the data, best inside. So this data space giving the best opportunity for any kind of student, right?
Yes.
Data have a lot of jobs right now.
Hmm.
Data engineering, right? Data engineering,
Yes.
data science,
Hmm.
data science, data analytic, data analytic, right? Data architect, data architect, data developer, data developer, right?
Hmm.
So these are the hot jobs in a market, which is providing good salary, very good salary in each job profile you will get right now.
Yep.
Okay, so this is the overall what is going on the market. Okay, but how we will start, right? So data increasing. So why these organization is looking, right? Because they will hire data engineer, data architect, data scientist, okay, because of managing the data. You will give the insight of the data so they can implement the logic to make their product better. They can compete the competition, right?
Yes.
So that's why they are providing good salary because data is a new oil, as everyone know, right?
Yep.
So these are the all profiles interview questions. Moreover, same 50% questions are same. Means if you prepare for any kind of job profile, data engineering, any kind of job profiles, you will get 50% questions same only.
Okay.
For the data science, they will add some ML, AI, machine learning things extra. They will ask.
Yep.
For data analytics, they will add some question related to analytic tools like Tableau, Power BI, QuickSight, right?
Yep. Yep.
Data architect, they will add some question related to data architecting, right?
Yep.
For here, it'll be uh, it'll be some traditional job, right? So means you have good understanding on Oracle, SQL. Means this kind of job is a fundamental primary job.
Yep.
Okay, so you can enhance or you can move your career if you are coming from the database developer side, right?
Mm.
Means if you
Mm.
have a good understanding or knowledge on the writing the complex query, you will be able to use uh, aggregate functions, analytic functions, right? So, what are
Mm.
the analytic functions till now you read it? Can you tell me?
So the functions means like different functions I was using, like for the numerical functions, or like date related functions, or else the sorting functions
Today,
and
in
some.
your interview, they will ask what is the difference between rank, dense rank, or what are the analytic functions you are using. Okay, so you
Okay.
you can prepare that dense, rank. Okay, so these are the questions.
Yeah.
These are the uh, advanced SQL you can say. And
Yeah.
SQL, when we are going through any kind of job, that
Mhm.
SQL is the backbone of any kind of job profile.
Yeah.
So we have a more focus, or we should give a more focus on writing complex query,
Hmm.
understanding what are the analytic functions we are using.
Hmm.
Okay, so if you will able to give the good confidence of the interviewer,
Hmm.
okay, they will proceed your profile further.
Okay.
Okay, so this is like about the profiling and
Mm-hmm.
job profile, right?
Yeah.
So now we will move ahead like
Mm-hmm.
data side. Okay, so
Oh,
this today class is only clarifying the job profile.
oh, okay.
Okay, because these all profiles is coming from the data space.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and these are the all profiling is required to maintaining manipulating the data, right? These are the all related na data if you will see this diagram.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's correct.
Okay, so on
Mm-hmm.
top of our profile we have to prepare ourselves. If I'm going, I told already that 50% are same, 50%
Yeah,
questions are same, right?
yeah, yeah,
If I'm going through, I have to add some more knowledge on the Power BI side, right? Analytical
yeah, yeah,
tools, right?
yeah.
So, so let me proceed further this session. Just a minute.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so I'm removing this
Mm-hmm.
because this information, I hope you cleared, or other students which are preparing, right, themselves to get job in data space.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so
Okay.
on top of profile, now we will be see how we can start our journey,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yeah.
So as we uh, discussed, right, that data is a new oil because data is increasingly day by day. So how it is increasingly means if you wanted to know, like you can check the in Google, like in a single day how much data
Mm.
is generating in Facebook or Instagram.
Yeah,
So it will be around like five TB, right?
yeah,
Terabyte, or
yeah.
maybe it is. I think it is under my understanding is 2 to 3 year back. Okay, so
Now maybe
maybe
in
it will be
petabytes.
increased 20, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
TB. So this type, this is the pace of generating on the data on the daily basis. I'm telling, right? So
Mhm.
you will go through that 30 days, managing 30 days data, or you can 1 year,
Mhm.
years, right? So this
Yeah,
is the challenge, right?
yeah,
This is the challenge of the any organizations.
yeah.
If you are looking your 10-year back post,
Mhm.
Instagram post or Facebook post or whatever bank data, so
Mhm.
you have to process this data,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So you can multiply with this average, let's suppose 10 TB, right?
Mhm.
TB. So for 30 days, you have to multiply with 30, right? Here you multiply with, so these are the TB, right? It's become
Yeah,
big, na, right? So
yeah.
this is the challenge for each and every organization. So that's why the organization is looking the data engineer, data scientist, data analytic, blah blah blah. And on top of data type,
Mhm.
on top of data type, we had a different type of tools available in a market,
Mhm.
right?
Yeah,
Till now. So till now, I'm not means going like on a AWS on GCP, Azure, what are the Databricks and all, right? Because I am going through from starting to this that cloud vendors,
Okay.
right? So this is the challenge for
Hmm.
every organizations. Okay, 10 year. So 10-year data means 10 year into uh, uh, 365, right? 1 year, right? 1 year, na? Then 10, and after that this 10 TB, right? So
Yeah.
it will become very large.
Yeah. Huge data. It will be huge
Huh.
data by, yeah.
Right, right. So as we know, like data engineer is data profile. What are we had this discuss, right? That profile. All profile will work on big data, right?
Yeah.
So such type of data we call big data, right?
Yeah.
So big data become not any single type of data. This data this data have also a different type, right? We
Yeah.
have
Structured,
structure,
semi-structured,
we
and
have structure, we have
semi-structured,
semi-structure, right? And we also have a non-structure,
non-structured.
non-structure, right? Non-structured data which doesn't have. What is the non-structured data if I'm asking you?
It could be like a videos, any audio.
Yeah. So what is the
Uh,
behind logic?
uh, Not sure actually.
So these are the interviewer is looking for the student.
Okay.
If this is the video,
Hmm.
let's suppose, yeah, this you are means correct. This is the audio. This is
Hmm.
the video type of. But
Mm.
what is the difference between these two, right? See,
Yeah.
like structured data have a proper structure. Proper
Yeah.
means when you are defining table, no, right?
Yeah.
Because
It has
your
columns and
RDBMS
also.
data have, right. Your
Yeah.
RDBMS data have a structure because you are defining a structure. You are defining the column name, right? Column type,
Mhm.
and after that
Mhm.
length, right? Right now.
Yeah. Yeah. That's right. Yeah.
So this data have a proper structure. It's follow the structure to maintain the data in a table, right?
Yeah.
In same structure, it's not follow. These two type of data is not follow the standard of the maintaining the data. So this is the uh, that logic behind this,
Hmm.
right? So like XML, right? Log, right? So such type of
Yeah.
data will come here. That this is the text, right?
So the MongoDB data, that the key value pair data, that is also semi-structured, we call it.
Yeah. So we will come later.
Mhm.
So if you are discussing about the type of the database, we
Mhm.
are we are discussing here type of data.
Mhm.
Okay, for maintaining the type of the data, we had a different type of databases in the market as well. For
Mhm.
structure, we have Oracle, right? We have SQL, right? Such type of
Mhm.
data, right? Semi-structure
Mhm.
type of data we are maintaining into warehouse system, right?
Mhm.
Which database following the warehousing nature, right? Like Hive,
Mhm.
if we are talking about in uh, our traditional system, right? And
Yeah.
in cloud, if we are talking because the all traditional system is moved in cloud or moving presently, right? So if we are discussing about GCP, so in GCP, the big query they will use, right? BigQuery, or in AWS, they use S3, right? So MongoDB and all, they are columnar database, right? Columnar database. So we had two type of databases available. The one is these traditional, right, which follows the structure. Some type of databases not follow the structure to maintain the data, but they are more faster because they are maintaining on top of the column column base. Okay, column base. This is storing the data on top of row. Okay, so this is like MongoDB, MongoDB, big table. Okay, big table. So these are the difference. HBase, one more HBase. Okay, got it? Hello.
So yeah, these are no SQL databases. Is it correct?
Right, correct. No
Oh,
SQL means
yeah.
they are they are not following the standard traditional uh, logic to store the data. Means the traditional systems are following to maintain data on top of row.
Mhm.
No structure means they are not following the standard logic, right? A
Mhm.
standard concept to maintain the data or store the data. So we had a columnar. So these are the used to store video, audio, text file, very large data, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So when you will search 10 years of data, okay, so columnar based databases are more optimal to
Mm.
search your record.
Oh,
Okay, so you got this picture.
yeah.
I think because these are the very,
So here, Lovelace, here you mentioned like in the non-structured audio and video, what is the, I mean, like you asked me a question, like what is the structure behind the audio and video? Uh,
yeah. So audio and video are maintained on top of this no SQL database.
oh, on top of no SQL database.
No SQL databases are uh, able to means store this type of
Mm-hmm.
data, right? So
Mm-hmm.
so why I'm giving this background, because it will be very helpful for your interview.
Okay.
You will give a real-time answer when you have a basic knowledge.
Okay.
Basic understanding is clear understanding. If you have na, then you will give a better answer,
Okay. Okay.
right? So
Yeah. Yeah.
right now in all interview, they are asking uh, analytic functions,
Mm-hmm.
right? Just such as rank, dense rank,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So I think you got this overview, right? Right now.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
after that, I had a means a lot of things to clear or the fundamental things, right? But
Mm-hmm.
our motto to give the fundamental. Then after we will went to understand the AWS, right?
Yeah.
right now. So
Yeah.
actually, I given a training from Hadoop systems when Hadoop was there, right?
Yeah.
So I had a lot of that material, right? So if I wanted to show you that what is big data, right?
Yeah.
So I just show you, right? Because I think you will once you will go through, right, these all things, right? Because these are
Mm.
the very helpful to clear your understanding,
Mm.
right? So if you
Yeah.
will see this things, if you will see, there are a lot of databases, right?
Mhm.
So Postgres, Cassandra, MongoDB, Greenplum database, right? Hive,
Mhm.
Pig, Flume, right?
Mhm.
So these are the tool. If you will see, the Google is the first company which is realized big data problem in 2003,
Yeah.
right? In 2004, they have given, if you heard about that MapReduce, right?
Yeah, yeah. The Google, they started with the GFS, Google File System, then they
Great,
changed to
great,
Hadoop
great,
Distributed
great,
File
great, great.
System.
Yeah. So that I wanted to
So
hear from
I
your end.
read about it, yeah.
Actually, I
Three
wanted
V's,
to. Great,
volume,
great.
velocity, and something I read about it, like
Right. So
before.
these are the
Yeah.
all I consolidated because I don't
Mm.
want to go through unnecessary, un uh, irrelevant data while you
Mhm.
are preparing yourself for the any kind of data engineer role.
Mhm.
So if you will see, I have given whole very
Mhm.
short format or very layman, you know, this is the whole, that what are the what are required, right, before
Mhm.
moving into cloud, because these are the fundamental. All your cloud technologies are using the same thing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Earlier we had a MapReduce to process our data, but MapReduce having some limitation. That's why they introduced Spark,
Yeah.
because Spark is processing data on top of memory
Yeah.
compared to MapReduce. So here, if you will see, I have finished the whole this PPT after clearing the MapReduce.
Yeah, I go through this, the YAR, and I know that one, that yet another resource negotiator or something.
Yet
I
another
remember.
resource
Yeah,
negotiator.
yeah,
Yes.
yeah. That is
So
a
these are the
master
important. If you
cluster
had a good
manager.
understanding, I think your interview
I
will
go
be
through long back ago actually. That is a cluster manager and slave.
right,
I'm
right.
like a master node,
Yes,
slave
yes, yes,
node,
yes, yes,
and
yes. Because these are the all concept is
of
followed by every cloud.
yeah, yeah, yeah,
Okay, so if you had earlier this some understanding, so I think for learning that any kind of cloud, the GCP ho or
yeah,
AWS ho, it doesn't matter.
yeah.
If you have a good understanding on Python and SQL.
Yeah, my biggest drawback is Python. I need more knowledge on Python
Okay,
especially.
okay, just a minute. I have a
SQL I am
solution. I
okay.
have everything.
Yeah, okay.
I have everything because of my uh, classes. Because
Mhm.
always I have been to give a exact knowledge of my students. Okay, so if you will see, this is the Python set. Okay,
Okay.
so
So
here it is all code from the hello world,
mhm.
right? It's a
Yeah,
very, very important if doesn't know Python. Python is a very easy language, okay?
okay.
So these are the all small code till
Mhm.
your advance.
Yeah.
Here, if you will see, it was started from the hello, but now it's become class,
Yes.
right? The whole code is also there. You just copy and test in your system.
Mm-hmm.
So first you have to install in your machine,
Mm-hmm.
okay, and try it with the various small uh, that queries, okay.
Okay.
So after that, let me also give some more idea like what is required, right? What skill is required
Yeah.
when we moving as discussed profile, right? So the mandatory skill is required. Just a minute, let me give the quick technical overview. Okay. So okay, so for data engineer, right? So skill, the first skill, important skill is database knowledge, means writing complex and advanced SQL. Okay, so I'm writing that advanced SQL. Okay, this is the first and very important skill. Okay, and after that, Python. New learner, but for the experience, if the candidate is experience have a Java or have experience on Scala, okay, and have experience on R language, okay, so they can work in the data space because the advanced tool for processing is Spark, okay, Spark. So if we are using AWS, so we have EMR to enable these Spark and Hadoop. Okay. Any confusion? Hello.
Sorry, I'm coughing. That's why I'm keep you know.
No, no problem.
uh,
No problem. Okay,
So
so you got it now that the overall.
yeah, I understand. Here is my question.
Mhm.
So a lot of JDs now I can see no one mentioning about the Hadoop, but everywhere I can see PySpark.
Right, right.
So basically, they are mentioning SQL,
Mhm.
PySpark,
Mhm.
Databricks, or Snowflake, DBT tool, and
Mhm.
some people mentioning Java, but
Yes, yes.
either Java or
Yeah, so I'm giving the answer for this question, right?
yeah,
Because Hadoop word
yeah.
is sound sound loud sound, we can say loud sound for the traditional on premises system, on
Okay, okay,
premises system, it's loudly sound. That's why
okay,
no one writing this. They are asking for a uh, Spark, because Spark is the most powerful processing engine till now in the whole IT industry.
okay.
IT industry. Okay.
Hmm.
Spark has evaluated itself to move all kind of that cloud
Hmm.
systems. Okay. So just a minute, let me give the Okay. Okay. So Spark is available with the GCP.
Mm,
GCP. Spark is available into AWS and with Azure and with Databricks. Okay. Databricks. So it has evaluated itself to move in the cloud. Okay.
mm.
Hadoop is a fundamental.
Yeah.
Okay. Hadoop is a fundamental.
Mm. So basically, Hadoop is the fundamental of like how we process and maintain the huge, I mean, like big data. Is it
Yes.
okay? Okay.
Right.
And in the code wise,
Mhm.
Python and PySpark, whatever we use on the PySpark. So is it similar? Yeah, I mean, like
Yeah,
code
that
wise,
logic is similar.
similar. Okay.
Yeah. Nothing is changed on top of your code.
Mhm.
The code will be same.
Yeah.
Okay. So here I had a lot of things actually. In our first class week, I can't give the everything,
Mhm.
right? So if you will see, this is the Spark thing, okay? That how Spark will work, and
Yeah.
because these configurations and are very important in term of
Mhm.
this because
Mhm.
a candidate mostly feel to give the answer here like they will ask if we had a uh, 1 TB data or 50, so how you are processing, what kind of things you will apply,
Mhm.
right? So these are the all portions that where what cousin we have to take,
Mhm.
right?
Yeah.
So in AWS space, like I have also prepared one slide
Mhm.
where I'll cover all, like what are the what are we are using in AWS, right?
Mhm.
So yeah, like we'll go like one by one. Okay,
Mhm.
that pricing and all very important. Okay,
Yeah. Okay.
yeah.
And do you have any end-to-end projects like for like if anybody you're teaching, is there any
Hmm.
option to practice anything, anything like you built on like a
Yeah,
PySpark
like
and
yes. So I had a lot of things actually. Okay.
Mhm.
Uh, so means I will follow the one, like data set which we
Mhm.
have to uh that do the practicals, right?
Yeah.
So if you will see, like these are the all coding interview questions, right? Spark coding interview questions. Okay.
Yeah.
So these are the questions which you will might be fail, might be face in the interview. Okay. So these are the all interview questions only. Suppose you are
Mhm.
running a Spark job 3 to 4 times every day and it load the data into Hive,
Mhm.
right? So such type of questions you will maybe face, right?
Mhm.
So these are the all things like we'll see. Okay.
Mhm. Mhm.
So for me, like already I used MCP server. These are the all advanced things in AWS. If you will see, these are the all logs. I tested in my local as well.
Mhm. Mhm.
The lot of things is there. Okay, yeah. So we'll follow one set of data to
Mhm.
process and our practical, like how we'll do the practical.
Okay, okay,
Okay. So
sure.
don't worry about it that. Okay. So lot of things you will also get this that if you had about like the Kafka is very important right now. Okay.
Mhm.
So Kafka
So
is
Kafka is kind of a tool to process the streaming data. Is it correct?
right, right.
Uh,
Yeah. So from
Will you say
source,
is it a tool or is it kind of I mean like a concept? I mean like in
no,
general.
it's a tool. Kafka is
It's a tool.
provided by Apache. Apache is an
Apache.
organization which has developed your Spark Hadoop event. Okay,
So
so
is it similar like a AWS Kinesis? Is it correct? That's what
not,
I
not,
saw.
not.
That is also we use for streaming
That
data
Canis
from,
is right, right, right.
yeah, like Kinesis. Yeah,
Yeah, you are right.
yeah,
But in AWS, MWAA are used with the Kafka. Kafka
yeah.
always used as source and to get the data inside the AWS platform.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
So always it connect your source for the
Mm-hmm.
real time data.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So I'm only delivering the practical oriented things with the code. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
And with the good understanding. Okay. So I think I have covered that basic where we have to
Start.
start, right?
Okay.
How we
Yeah, yeah,
can, how we will start.
yeah.
So first thing you have to focus on to writing some code, okay, for the SQL. I think
SQL
you have
actually
a
I was practicing for very long, and also in my previous job
Mhm,
and everywhere the SQL is day to day I use lot. So
mhm.
uh,
So
I'm okay.
here only you have to practice
Hmm.
your analytical uh,
Yeah,
functions.
yeah.
Okay. Here, here we have because Python is a wide accepted language. Okay, so for data engineering space or data engineering analytical space, that Python provide a lot of libraries. Okay, so that
Hmm.
libraries we have to uh, go through. We have to practice on that, like pandas, NumPy,
Hmm.
uh,
Hmm.
PyPlot,
So,
Maplot, right?
hmm.
So
Yeah.
such type of libraries we have to uh, go through because if you will give the effort at your end, so this class will be more uh, you know useful,
So,
right? Because in our 1 hour or 1.5 hour connect, it will be
hmm.
not enough to combine means finish everything in a short time.
Okay.
Got it now? What I wanted to tell you
Yeah.
means
Can,
if
can you
you
please
will
repeat? Can you please repeat?
means you have to also give efforts to
Yeah. Yeah.
understanding, right? Like
Yes. Yes.
what are the libraries? If you will search in a that Google or means ChatGPT,
Yeah. Yes.
what type of libraries we are using for
Hmm.
data engineering and that data analytic, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
it will be give, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
So so we had a lot of things. Okay, before this class, actually, I I wanted to show you this diagram as well. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So this is the latest architecture of any kind of, you know, data lake.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So we had some phases of the data,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yeah.
So first phase, and it's on top of your architecture, what type of architecture you are accepted for your project. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
It should be medallion architecture. It should some other. Okay, so first layer always will be your raw.
Yeah.
Means your file, flat file will be there. Your relational database will be there. Your streaming data will be there. Okay, and after that you have to ingest with the Kafka or SFTP server or other thing,
Mm-hmm.
right? Ingestion. After that you have to this distillation, right?
Mm-hmm.
Means cleansing the data,
Yeah.
transforming the data,
Mm-hmm.
right? And after that, processing will come. So process will happen with the help of a Spark. And inside that, you have to apply your final query to get
Mm-hmm.
the business oriented data,
Okay.
right?
Yeah.
So this architecture we have to follow. Okay, I have a lot of things to show you. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
but
Mm-hmm.
due to time constraints, actually, I have to also connect my
Okay.
daily routine.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. I
Yeah.
can understand.
So yeah, like we'll continue. Means
Yeah.
I'll 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 help out with
Yeah.
the with the gap, right, you had. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, then we'll connect tomorrow.
Tomorrow, please, I can connect day after tomorrow
No
because
problem. Yeah.
Friday morning I have an interview, so just I
Sure,
need
sure, sure,
to,
sure, sure, sure. Yeah.
yeah, please,
So yeah, yeah, no problem, no problem.